my life, you just say, Roger, or something, you come and you don't say nothing no. You just come look.
No.
I'm a call that fast.
You hear me, Tina? Say that.
Yeah, but you know, when them say I don't need to. The last time you come and me say to you about how you pray me, and me acknowledge you. Me. Take
No,
the step.
that.
Me acknowledge you. Me acknowledge you. And if me and you cool, whether you is X or not, if me and World Dog have one look of beef or one look of kick off, it's not supposed to be with you. Whether you're loyal to with X or not. Because me and you have not no. And from me and World Dog Cuss, you start act different. I mean not tell no lie.
Right.
But understand say loyalty to is where it is. But me and you not chat nobody. Me and you not discuss nobody. You not come for my life, I'm a chat nobody with you. When you come for my life, me and you have a look of fun, we reason, we're gone.
Yes,
but from me and World Dog mouth kick off, you don't really use me again. You don't really chat to me again. And then you alone. But me not really care. And you alone. I will if a people me say do it. Whole heap of people me say do it. I mean not do them not no. Me not do them blood clot not no. I mean never name them white fowl. I mean not do them not no. Because you come over here, you give me, you show me a whole heap of respect. I made it have it genuine. That's why I check for you. But when me see me a World Dog kick off and me a World Dog mouth meat, I will do two look for cussing. Me see you dry up. You know, you really use me again. You know, really use me again. I like to me care, you know. Because I know one thing. I know for all my own like a G.
People.
That's one thing. But me not go pretend and telling a lie or fake it.
People.
When me say,
hold on. People, listen. Normally when I go over there, me comment. More when I go over there, I just shout me out before me comment. You see me?
Because I notice how you act before, but you know how long it take you before you come. And when you come, you start fast. And me have to look for you one day and say, but how you pray me too. So you come under here, I'm call to you. One day you come under my life, I'm say, Butta.
Oh, listen.
I you no answer. I'm a look for you, I'm say on the life, say, Butta, so I pray, you pray me too.
You didn't want to say that I win?
I don't know, but me know me say it.
You didn't want to say that I want to play match.
But I know me say it.
Make it clear, make it clear.
You have no. I know you alone, me say do it. Me say other people not chat to me and join up with me through me a World Dog Cuss and me and them never have nothing. But me not beg no boy nothing. And I me not beg a boy say if go over on a night sleep. I'm not afraid of nobody. Cause I'm a bad by myself. I'm a bad by my own. Say so when me not like body follower, I not like boy with a tail.
So what?
Because if me
hold on.
Me say, me not like, me like people who make decision off of them own. If you feel like it fit you, you take it.
No, Roger, make it clear.
If me didn't want to tell you, say a tail, me tell you a tail. You notice what me I tell you? Me don't know how, but you start funny. If you use a tail, me tell you use a tail. Okay. I not tell me what say me I tell you what me not tell you. Cause anything me I tell you, me tell you. But me I tell you say
that's all
if me and your friend, me have a heap of friend. And a whole heap of people are my friend, them not whole heap of people are my friend, them not deal. And them can't tell me say not talk to them. A whole heap of people are my friend, them kick off. And that no mean say me and them kick off. Because them and that person might not live good, but me and them live good. But me understand. Anything you want, text me, text it right, yeah, so. Let me read it. Me don't want nobody to bring me in an inbox, because when I go in there, I be a beggings, me I see. And me I go mash up. So me don't want to go in there. So if you say it right, you say, if you can't help you, me help you. If you can't help you, me can't help you. Me is a beggar tan, me beg loudly and proudly. So if you not beg loudly and proudly. Now bring me round the corner, go beg me. Yeah. Me a talk it how me see it. Me nah say oh me not see. Me not say what me not see. Because me and Butta cool. All along cool. Till me a world dog cuss. And from me and world dog cuss, Butta hardly look over this bomber clap. Me see me all day in a match with people and Butta there in the background and Butta ignore me like him not see. But talk the truth, on know me not pre people. If me have something, I just tell you off of my mind and done. On know me not pre nobody and not pre people. But you know what you do. Because you know one chippy cuss you and tell you say, yeah, come and talk to me and you see me and
No,
in a cup.
Chippy would have never do that. Chippy would have never do that.
So why your blood clot act like that then? Why you act like that? Why you act like that? Why you not change then? Why all of a sudden from me and Chippy? Well, even if you would do that, if you would do that, that means you not look good me.
Chippy never yet tell nobody around him for who it
Well, if he not do that, that means that you not look good name and I'll make it look bad for him. You not look good name and I make it look bad for him then. Because if me, I ain't have not no, and me and Chippy cuss, and you just are gonna dry up with me and not talk to me. It gonna look like say, okay then, it's Chippy making not talk to me. Or through me and Chippy cuss, making not talk, making not talk.
Chippy never look at nobody and tell him who he talk to. Yeah? One thing.
They suck pussy like dog, but fall off. Suck pussy Mills. Me did call Butta, and Butta call me. Nyam fuck Mills. You don't forget say me have 2 phone too. A 2 blood clot phone me have to. Fall off of your mama suck pussy Mills. Fall off of your big old mama. Come here start go over and read too. And go suck your mother. Suck pussy Mills. Me a go over there, me a diss you up too. But fall off of your mother. Go forward, but me did bomber clock call him. So the fuck when me have 2 phone too, you know? I just show me not really like problem, me not go under and go read comments too. And that's why. So when blood clot Mills attack, tell Mills chat good. Let me look who's blood clot Mills. Waste man Mills, go get some followers. Go get some followers and that yeah look. With your 55 followers. Chops, tell your mama say she suck cock. Chops, tell your mother say she suck hood. Come back around your mama zesty. Me look lonely. Suck pussy zesty. Come here read and me a deal you don't know. Come in the day and listen to music nice and easy. Jelly back like your mama Kim. Jelly back like the man with shit in your mouth. Suck cocky Kim. Kim man fuck you and shit in your ears.
No people, no bad vibes, no bad vibes.
No, you just want to tell them no bad vibes because you see them a crucify me. You see them a crucify me. And I one thing me no make nobody crucify you. Move your blood clot Mills. Kim you suck hood like dog. A man shit in your mouth. You suck hood like dog. Suck pussy Mills and Kim. When near out a bottom. Yeah, on the dirty comment section. Move on a blood clot and go. You suck on a mama. You don't think me nice? Suck cocky Mills. And big pussy Kim, where man throw a big stone down in your bumbo, gravel cement and steel for pack you up, throw your big.
Yeah.
Lock this beef, baby.
Wanna come look. Come here and read them comments thoroughly. Delete all negative comments from under your arm, Lady Louise. Me no want a negative comment under ya. Me no want them over here. Cause of them same man where come chat negative over here. I got other place got chat against me. Delete them. Me no want nobody a carry no news. Me no want nobody a bring nobody name. Anybody come with it, delete them. Oh. You think I'm afraid of people? Nika walk go and fall off on a mama big pussy. Me did all on pound no. Fall off on a mama big hole. Me all on pound no. I one thing about me, anything me get me appreciate. All if I liquor, cause remember me did start liquor. Liquor big, medium or large. Anything me get, me appreciate. Me not run down fall on or fall off. Una think you can mash me up, una never build me a bomber clot. I'm a people them, that's how sit down with me build me. Una never build me so una can't mash me up.
Young in a dog. I mean I tell you say yo, me dark, you know, I try cut out that dog and come like say yo, more me try and more everything try for you. Bro, cause we dey on a good track for more there, you know. We dey on a good track for more there if you don't notice, bro. We dey on a good track for more there, you see me? Good track, you see it? Yeah man, we dey on a good track for more there, bro. I mean not lose it, dog. As all Swiss say, yo, don't go up on For You page with mix up. You see me? Yes. If you see mix up, I go and jump. You see me? That now gonna look good for you. You see it, bro? I don't lie, dog. I real talk, bro. I don't lie, bro. I real talk, bro. Man say, yo, Butta. If you go up on For You page, just mix up, bro. If I find something for Chen, you see me? Nobody make mix up make a chain, cause what when mix up now keep. What when no mix up now keep. You see me, bro? And a real meds dog, I chill, yo. Now if you know. I wanna well done spoil me there, man. Cause if you don't notice, you know.